Finally, I got out here. It's a beautiful day for me to be able to go flying. This spring has been horrible for being able to get out and go flying. It's been either hyper windy or pouring rain, or it's just not been good for flying. And for me to go flying, it's a bit of a hassle because, well, I got a bunch of airports around my city and there's bylaws about where you can fly. And so it's like an hour drive before I can get anywhere where I can sort of fly freely. And so I got all my gear all packed up. It's all sitting right out here. Everything is ready for me to go. And I realized that I left my flying glasses at home. So I'm either going to be flying with these ones, which are meant for long range, so I can drive my car, or without them, which means I can't really see anything beyond the tip of my nose. That's how it goes. It's kind of like leaving your fishing rod at home when you go fishing. Oh well, shit happens. So the first flight of my day here is going to be with this AOS 5.5. It's got a mount for a GoPro, but I'm not going to fly it with a GoPro today. Let's see what we can get out of this. What's going to come out of it is only DVR. So whoa, I am not used to flying this. It is so different from a whoop. Holy crap. What happened? Man, I am not accustomed to this. And there's something shite going on with my video for sure. I've got something that I gotta take care of with the video on this thing for sure. Yeah, I am not accustomed to flying 5 inches after flying whoops for the last 3.5 months. Oy! That recovery was a result of a whoop for sure. Wow, talk about float. Well, that seemed to mostly work. I am not used to that feeling though. Wow. Yeah. folks. Okay, after that, the only thing broken is one prop. Seriously, that's nuts. One prop. That's partly why I fly the Source 1. I crash like that, and it doesn't seem to break. And it kind of makes me happy. That was the only damage. All right, let's try this all again. I don't know how well it's going to show up with this camera or not, but on that last flight I toasted this battery off. The outside two cells are clearly puffed now. You can see the two inside cells are still just fine, but both outside ones are puffed out, and the battery itself is really hot. Hotter than it should be. But whatever, that's the way it goes.